Hello. Today I would like to share my TopStep funded account after 2 weeks. Um, I've been not doing so great. Um, as you can see, my current account balance is negative $1,040, and the TopStep Trader rule is saying that your account cannot go below 1,400. So right now, I'm closing to losing my account. I only have like around $400 of cushion left for this account. So if I lose more than 1,400, the account will be gone. So what you see is that I have one, two, three, four, five consecutive days, not consecutive, but 5 days that lose around $500 per day. So what got me into this mess is that on March the 14th and March the 15th, as you can see, although I'm down a bit on the 8th to the 12th, I have a big green day which make up most of the losses. And then on March the 5th, I think I have a $600 profit early in the morning, and I'll show you in a bit what actually happened. So see, okay, hold on. Okay, so this is March the 14th. So as you can see, the market is moving down a bit and then moving up. So actually, when I see this two-legged move, I'm assuming that so the market had pulled back here and then trying to go up and then pull back again and failed it to go down and try to move up, right? So on this trade, I think I put a long here right at 97. And I'm just going to I'm hoping to scalp a few take off the market. Maybe I'll get around the high of 103 or something like that. So I'm actually looking for 4-5 point here, but what you see next is what got me into trouble. So this is the continuation of my entry. So my entry is here, and the market immediately spiked against me. So if I were to get out below here, I would have survived. I would have lose maybe $120, and that's it. But instead, because I'm trusting my strategy so much, so I hold on to it, and then you see there's 3 green bull bar in a row. So I'm thinking, maybe the market shall go up, right? And then all of a sudden, okay, and remember these are 1 minute candles, okay. So I would say 5-6 minutes later, the market spiked against me. So from here to here is 10, almost 15 point, right? Oh, almost 10 point, and the market just did not look back afterward. It went straight down for from 90. My entry is at 97, right? So it went from 97 all the way down to 35. That's 60 point Nasdaq, okay, which is $1,200. So not only it wiped out my morning gain of like $600, but actually make my personal stop loss for the day hit, which is $500. So on that day, I got a $500 max personal loss hit. So that's negative 500 on the March the 14th. So I'm thinking that I was watching the market, and because TopStep Trader will reset your personal stop loss after 5 p.m. Each trading day. So I waited, And after the market like we open at 5 p.m., I try to like win a bit of money back. So and then I see this, okay, and what I see is a triple top, and then the market attempt to like break down. So again, I'm only looking to scalp for 4 or 5 point, and okay, so which is I think a reasonable trade on this. My stop is only, I say 4 point from my entry, and the next thing you know, bam, the market went straight up, take you out on the stop loss, and I'm like, okay, fine, I'll just wait for another one, and then I see this, okay, the market break down, but instead of continue moving downward, the market reverse. So what I'm thinking here is like, this looks like a bear trap to me. The market is like reverse so strong, okay? So I took a long on this level around 70, okay? So what I'm thinking is that the market should at least go a bit more, or okay, and then the next thing you know, bam, the market just slam down to the downside. Okay, so from here 70 was my entry. It went all the way to 28, and that's 50 point, which is more than $1,000. So I already have a 5 point loss earlier, so I think I lost $120 earlier, and then I have a massive loss here, and then bam, again my personal stop limit of $500 hit. So in just 3 trades, I lost a $1,000 just like that. Okay, so I would say for the past 2 weeks, it really is a tough trading environment, because the market is just spiked to both directions so randomly, and it does happen when you do trading. I mean, there's really no one strategy that will work all the time, especially when the market is lack of direction. So yeah, so that's what happened. So right now I only have about $400 of cushion lot left on this traded funded account. So I'll see. So I have to trade extremely small now, and hopefully I can yeah, I will have a couple days of winner, so I'm able to like get this account back up. But if I have another day of like $500 max loss, so this account will be gone. So but this is really how trading is, because if you look on YouTube and on the internet, all those people claim they have such a perfect system that don't even have a day of loss, or they are like making thousands of dollars every day, and they claiming they are going to sell you the system for like $1,000 or a few $1,000, and you can copy what they are doing, making like $3,000 in just 30 minutes a day. I mean, those are all just bullshit. Okay, this what I'm showing you is what's real. Okay, this is how trading is. You will have consecutive days of losses. Okay, so but if your strategy is a working strategy, eventually you can make up the losses and make your account grow. And that's how I pass my trading combine as well. So I'm hoping that you did a better job than me last week for the past 2 weeks, because right now my account is kind of bad. So I'm going to try update you guys on the next video to see how I do with this account. And until then, see you next time. Bye bye.